What is up, everybody? How's it going? All right. So I want to give a shout out to Sherpa Equipment Company. So this is Sherpa roof rack. This is a Princeton roof rack and a Princeton side window mounts right here. I have my gas on that side. I have my water on this side. And I want to give a shout out because I installed these panels and the roof rack and everything. The roof rack, I got the install video done for YouTube, and it got dark. Moisture started accumulating because it's winter time while I was doing this. Found out I had some missing hardware. I ended up going to Home Depot and picking up a bunch of stainless hardware for this, plus the mounts, because the hardware that I had available was too short, that was left. And so Sherpa, I just got the package in the mail, but this right here, you could see that it's bent. It's a lot smaller right here. And I took photos, sent it to them. They sent me another panel for the driver's side. And this, you know, the reason I thought that it was damaged, not by me because I didn't drop them, but there would have also been powder coat and stuff missing from them if I would have dropped them. And they let me know, Christian over there at Sherpa Equipment Company let me know that the warranty is exactly for stuff like this. This does look like it may have been an issue when it was being made. Things happen, not mad about it, but I want to show you guys that I got a new window panel. And I also need to take this off because it's starting to swell. So I'm going to get my keys. So I'll take you guys inside and we'll open the box real quick to show you guys that I got a new window panel. Just remove the lock. And then it's a lot tighter than it was because it's swelling. So I only tightened it 3 turns, so it's swelled that much. It's just because it's getting warm out here. There it goes. Okay. There we go. Gas can is off. I'm gonna put it inside. But so these are the stainless button heads I put on both sides with a 5/32, which matches these guys right here. They're just not black. They are stainless through and through. All these black ones are stainless. They're just black oxide coated stainless. So let me twist my mount back in. There we go. And then I'm going to put my lock back in so I don't lose it. There we go. So my lock's back in. So I'm going to take you guys inside, show you guys. I got to take this panel off and put the other panel on. And I'll take this gas can in between. So, as you guys can see, the can swole a little bit. Alright guys, so here is the new window panel. I already took the straps off because I was speaking to Christian on the phone about an odd banging noise that I was hearing from the roof rack. And that seems to be a very rare issue, and he's going to be sending me some pressure style mounts similar to the 3rd gen 4runners. They have 4 mounts plus the 2 in the front that are actually rubberized pressure mounts. So it's a piece of rubber just like I put on the roof rack out there, and those mounts you put tension up on the rack as you're tightening those mounts down, and it forces the rack to stand proud in the front. And I'll take you guys back out there and I'll show you guys what I mean. So lots and lots of wrapping. These panels are very nicely wrapped. Very, very nicely wrapped. They're actually wrapped and then sealed at the seam. So I'll show you guys. So just to show you guys, and to mention, I actually had these hardware packs missing. These are for the Rotopack mounts. I bought these separately. They were missing from the original YouTube video. So just to let you guys know, Christian was awesome. Sherpa's been awesome. They have no issue sending you the hardware that's missing and needed. So I can change out this hardware for the stainless hardware I put on it to make it all, you know, blacked out. So it's nice that I got the hardware. This is the mount, and then the hardware. So he didn't just send me a new panel, he also sent me new suction cups and everything. So just to show you guys, these panels are very, very nicely packaged. There's a seam right here, so it folds over and it seals on this seam all the way around. So it's kind of like they put this wrap on it, and then they like glue sealed the seam so that way it protected the panel. So it's very, very nice setup on how they do it. And this section right here is where the other one is bent. And it feels nice and straight. So here, I ripped this side up. As you can see, it seals at this corner right here. So you actually have to rip this and pull the, you can feel the glue. Just peel the glue off. So very nicely packaged. I just want to give a shout out to Sherpa for great customer service. Easy to get in hold of and find out, you know, if there's any issues with, you know, if you're having a wind noise or anything like that. It's not something to worry about. You just contact them, let them know, and they will help you figure out what the problem is. This panel has no issues. It's nice and straight on the bottom. There we go. So as you guys can see it is a driver's side panel. This section's not bent. I need to find out what they would like me to do with the old panel. He didn't tell me anything, so I don't know if I'm sending it back or if I'm just going to keep it. I'm not sure. But great customer service. I'm going to take you guys outside real quick and show you one other thing. So real quick, here's the old panel. I'm going to take this one off. This is the bent section. I probably could fix this by bending it back down. But they're going to be sending me the pressure feet for this rack. The third gens are really long, so the third gens, this mount is actually back here. So on the third gens, they provide you a mount that comes up here. That's a pressure mount. You put pressure under this section and you push the rack up. And when you do that, you tighten these bolts down to a pressure mount. So it's a rubber gasket mount about this wide, and then it's got a metal bracket. The metal bracket comes up just like these, and it mounts here, and it puts pressure on the front to keep the front from bouncing down. And that is the mounts they're going to be sending. So thank you to Sherpa for all the help, and see you guys in the next video.